Alright, since it's a nice day, I'm gonna tackle all this today. So, beauty ring, the hoop, the horseshoe, whatever you want to call it. It's supposed to be a piece of leather here. Well, doing a bunch of research on this and finding out that this area and this area is not particularly fun to take apart or put back together. So, to alleviate that and make this look a little bit more presentable down the road, you know. Alright, got her masked and taped up here. Got the poor man's paint gun here. So what I'm going to use is this right here. This is actually for undercoating on trucks, any type of 4x4. But it also has a rough texture, so we're going to put some coats on here and see how it looks. So I'm going to get you set up here and we'll get started. Check that out. That right there is a simple fix for your leather horseshoe on your Mustang 2, or for that matter any G-top that had one. Alright, gonna let this dry and come back and see how it looks. Alright, I apologize for the noise, but I got the zero turn over there and cutting grass, but hey, it looks real good, really good. Now, just in case y'all have some, you know, a little overspray, just a little bit, remember to pick you up some fingernail polish and you know, write on it for paint use only. That way the guys that come over don't say, hey, what are you doing there, Fred? You know. But this looks really good. All right, let's take off the plastic and see what we got. Oh, look at that. That looks sharp. Man, can't even tell that that is not even leather wrap. I mean, that looks nice. Just goes to show you guys, if I can do it, you can do it. So that's all I got for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. All right, later.